Congratulations on playing the trombone. You're about to join the trombone playing masters of the universe. Here are the parts to your trombone. The trombone has the water key, the slide lock, the first brace, the mouthpiece, the bell, and the main tuning slide. Let's learn how to set up your trombone.
Setting up the trombone.
Inside of your case, you have the trombone body and the slide. Grab the slide with your right hand and make sure the part sticking up is facing toward you. Now be careful, your slide has a lock on it and you want the lock to be on the on position. If it's on the off position, there's a chance your slide could fall out. So usually you twist it clockwise and now it's locked, it's safe. Grabbing it with your right hand, let's take the body out with our left hand. You want to insert the trombone onto the receiver. And you want about 2 fingers in between the top part of the slide and the bell, like that. Once it's in an L shape, you can finish tightening the screw onto the trombone receiver. Next, there should be a mouthpiece in your case. So when you put on the mouthpiece, all you need is a gentle twist and you're good to go.
Holding the trombone.
Let's learn how to set up the trombone. First, make sure your slide is in lock position so the slide doesn't have a chance of falling out. Take your left hand, make a gotcha shape, and put your thumb around the brace. Put your first finger up, touching the mouthpiece. Put these 3 fingers inside of the square. With your right hand now, place 2 fingers underneath the bottom slide and 2 fingers on top. And your thumb simply rests on the second brace. That's how you hold the trombone.
Now that you know how to hold your instrument, let's learn about the slide. The 7 slide positions.
Why is the trombone like a playground? Because it has a slide. The trombone has 7 positions. First position is in all the way. Second position is halfway between first position and the bell. Third position is right before the bell. Fourth position is right past the bell. Fifth position is past fourth position. Sixth position is your arm fully extended. And seventh position is your arm fully extended with the shoulder. In the next video, we're going to learn our first note. Stay tuned.